Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel Literature Insights, an easy platform to learn English language and literatures in English. In our channel, you will get weekly tutorial on English language and literatures in English. As you know, we are making a videos on MCQs by considering the need of students from the examination point of view. In my last tutorial, we have seen video on MCQs of the essay and Samida is an autobiography written by Sadhna Amte. In this video, I am going to discuss with you another significant 20 MCQs on Up From Slavery is an autobiography written by Booker T. Washington. So this video will also helpful for the learners of English optional or literature for preparation of their examination. In this video, I have given 20 MCQs. I first read questions, then I will read 4 options, and ultimately I will provide you the correct answer of each MCQs. So now here the student should be ready to answer each and every question with the help of their pen and papers. They can judge themselves how many marks they will get into the examination of MCQs through this video before to appear in an examination. Let's begin today's video of MCQs on Up From Slavery is an autobiography written by Booker T. Washington. Let's start our videos of MCQs on Up From Slavery by Booker T. Washington is an autobiography. The first question is, Up From Slavery was published in the 4 options as below. A 1902, B 1904, C 1905, D 1901. The student has to select the correct option for this question. Now here they just mention the publication year of Up From Slavery. When did it publish? And the correct option is D 1901. Up From Slavery was published in 1901. Question number 2. Where did Washington give a speech that made him internationally famous? 4 options as follows: A. Alabama, B. Atlanta, C. Algeria, D. Almond. And the correct option is A. Alabama. Question number 3. Who taught the use and values of Bible to Washington? 4 options: A. Louis Raffner, B. Mrs. Viola Raffner, C. Miss Nathalie Lord, D. All the above. And the correct option is C. Miss Nathalie Lord. Miss Nathalie Lord taught the use and values of Bible to Washington in his early education. Then question number 4. Booker T. Washington spends his early years from his birth until the end of Civil War as. So how did he spend his early years of his life from his birth to the end of Civil War as? 4 options as A. a refugee, B. a slave, C. a homeless child, D. an orphan. And the correct option is B. a slave. Booker T. Washington spends his early years from his birth until the end of Civil War as a slave on a plantation. Then question number 5. Mr. Campbell is a. So now here again 4 options: A. lecturer, B. peon in Tuskegee, C. merchant and banker, D. all the above. So now here the student has to identify the profession of Mr. Campbell. What was the profession of Mr. Campbell? And now here again 4 options. You have to select the correct option for this question, and the correct answer is merchant and banker. Mr. Campbell is a merchant and banker. Then question number 6. Miss Mary F. Mackey, the head teacher, offered Booker T. Washington positions as. So which type of position has been offered by Mary F. Mackey to Booker T. Washington? 4 options: A. janitor, B. clerk, C. peon, D. none. And the correct option is B. clerk. She has been offered the position of Booker T. Washington as a clerk. Question number 7. According to Washington, the years from 1867 to 1878 may be called the period of. So now in America, the time period of from 1867 to 1878, this period is known as four options: A. Reconstruction, B. Medieval, C. Ancient, D. None of the above. And the correct option is A. Reconstructions. According to Booker T. Washington, the early years from 1867 to 1878 in America may be called the period of Reconstruction. Then question number 8. Which is known as a black belt of the South? Here four options: A. Hampton, B. Tuskegee, C. both A and B, D. none. And the correct option is B. Tuskegee. Question number 9. Is a successful physician in Bassoon and a member of school board of Hampton. Who is a successful physician in Bassoon and a member of a school board of Hampton? Again four options: A. Louis Raffner, B. Miss Viola Raffner, C. Dr. Samuel E. Courtney, D. all the above. And the correct option is C. Dr. Samuel E. Courtney. Samuel E. Courtney is a successful physician in Bassoon and a member of a school board of Hampton. Question number 10. Where did the first school for children open? Again here four options: A. Virginia, B. Nigeria, C. Canada, D. Spain. You have to select the correct option for this question. Where did the first school for children open? And now the correct option is A. Virginia. The first school for children opened in Virginia. Question number 11. Booker T. Washington had no idea when he had born because. Here four options: A. Slaves were uneducated, B. Orphan child, C. both A and B, D. all the above. And the correct option is A. Slaves were uneducated. Booker T. Washington had no idea when he had born because slaves were uneducated at that time. Then question number 12. The greatest speech of Booker T. Washington ever made in. The greatest speech of Booker ever made in. So here four options: A. in Malden, West Virginia, B. in Hampton, C. in India, D. in Japan. And you have to select the correct option for this question, and the correct option is A. in Malden, West Virginia. So where Booker T. Washington made greatest speech. Question number 13. How did Booker T. Washington pass his first examination? Here four options: A. to answer the questions, to write the answers, C. he asked to sweep the floor, D. all the above. He asked to sweep the floor. Now here, as we know, the early childhood days of Booker T. Washington spent on a plantation as a slave. So the white Americans have been given a brutal treatment to the Negroes. So now here, Booker T. Washington passed his first examination by sweeping the floor. Question number 14. Who was the famous person in London that Booker T. Washington met at the ambassador's reception? And now here four options: Mark Twain, Ernest Hemingway, William Faulkner, D. all the above. And the correct option is A. Mark Twain. Mark Twain was the famous person in London that Booker T. Washington met at the ambassador's reception. Then question number 15. During the Civil War, one of the young masters of Booker was. Who was the master of Booker T. Washington during the Civil War in America? The four options: A. George Washington, B. Mas Bailey, C. Louis Raffner, D. Mrs. Raffner. And the correct option is C. Louis Raffner was the young masters of Booker T. Washington during the Civil War. Question number 16. As a child, Booker T. Washington lives in cabin that serves as options A. The plantation kitchen, B. The school, C. The bed, D. None. And now here the correct option is A. The plantation kitchen. As a child, Booker T. Washington lives in the cabin that serves as the plantation kitchen. Question number 17. What was the name of the school established for colored people or Negro people? Again, four options. A. Hampton Normal and Agricultural Institute. B. Virginia School. C. Malden Institute. D. All the above. And the correct option is A. Hampton Normal and Agricultural Institute was the name of the school established for colored people. Or question number 18. Who was General Louis Raffner? A. The owner of the salt furnace and coal mine. B. The owner of mill. C. The owner of school. D. Only B and C. And the correct option is A. The owner of the salt furnace and coal mine. Louis Raffner was the owner of the salt furnace and coal mine. Then question number 19. What were the qualities of Mrs. Viola Raffner? A. Cleanliness. B. Honesty. C. Frankness. D. All the above. And the correct option is D. All the above. Cleanliness, honesty, frankness, these are the significant qualities found in her. Then question number 20. Booker T. Washington expressed his views about A. Education, B. Slavery, C. Both A and B, D. None of the above. So now here the correct option is C. Both A and B. Booker T. Washington expressed his views about education and slavery in his autobiography Up From Slavery. In this video, we have seen 20 very important MCQs on Up From Slavery is an autobiography written by Booker T. Washington. So these MCQs will be helpful for the students of English optional or literature in preparation of their examinations. I hope you understand the MCQs given by me in this video. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel Literature Insights among your friends, fraternity of English language and literatures in English.